Architect Ledger TV, AI Infrastructure's Power Crisis. Your AI models are getting smarter, your lawsuits are getting auto-generated, and your data centers are about to turn into power plants. Welcome back to Architect Ledger TV. Today we're auditing the perfect storm brewing between AI demand, infrastructure chaos, and regulatory backlash. Headline: The natural gas gamble powering AI giants. Here is how it breaks down. AI companies are building massive natural gas plants to feed their data centers, not buying power from the grid, actually constructing their own generation. Microsoft, Google, OpenAI, they all need terawatts. Natural gas is fast, scalable, and politically easier than nuclear licensing. But here is the catch. You're locking in fossil fuel infrastructure for the next 20 years to train models for the next 2. That detail matters because energy regulation is catching up. Case in point, Elon Musk's XAI facility in Texas was caught generating excess electricity without a permit. The regulator shut it down. That brings us to the real tension. Headline: When data centers become utilities. In plain English, AI infrastructure is so power-hungry that it's no longer a consumer of energy, it's becoming a producer. XAI generates more electricity than it uses internally. That's not an accident. It's a financial hedge. When you generate surplus power, you can sell it back to the grid. You become a virtual power plant. But here is the catch. Utilities don't like competition. Grid operators don't like unplanned generation. And regulators are still writing the rule book. The point is crystal clear. Data center operators are now in the energy business, whether they intended to be or not. This reshapes every infrastructure investment decision going forward. Headline: AI-generated lawsuits meet AI-generated infrastructure. That brings us to the legal side of this mess. AI companies are now using large language models to draft litigation. Entire lawsuits generated by algorithms. No human lawyer in the room. Courts are starting to reject them. Why? Because AI-generated legal filings are riddled with fabricated case citations, logical gaps, and jurisdiction errors. The irony is surgical. Companies burning billions on AI infrastructure to automate legal work are producing legally worthless output. Meanwhile, their own infrastructure decisions are triggering real lawsuits from utilities, regulators, and grid operators. You've got AI breaking the legal system, while infrastructure decisions are breaking the power grid. Headline: The Power Infrastructure Reckoning of 2026. Here is how this converges. NVIDIA, Microsoft, and the entire AI stack are announcing massive 2026 infrastructure expansions at conferences like GTC. National Grid is deploying AI to predict demand surges. Deloitte's 2026 Power and Utilities Outlook flags AI data centers as the single biggest demand driver. But here is the catch. The grid isn't ready. Nuclear is slow. Coal is dead. Natural gas plants require permitting and regulatory approval. Construction spending on data centers and electric power is already accelerating, but the math doesn't add up yet. In plain English, we're building AI faster than we're building the power to run it. Regulators, grid operators, and energy companies are about to collide with chip makers and cloud providers in ways we've never seen. That detail matters because your infrastructure decision in 2026 will determine whether your models run at all by 2028. The infrastructure gamble is real. Subscribe for weekly deep dives into where AI meets operational reality. Here's the question. If your data center can't get power in 2 years, who's liable? End.